Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel. Now for this, what I do is I poach some chicken breast. I just cut it up into pieces and strips and chuck it in here, medium heat for about 5 minutes. Once it gets to a boil, turn it down and simmer it for about another 5 to 10 minutes. Get a pizza base, you can make one if you want. Now you want to get some mango chutney and spread it over the base. It depends how much you want. I usually use, I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons. Get a bowl and we want to combine about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tandoori paste, depends on how strong you want it. Just put that in there. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now add about 1/4 cup or so of plain yogurt. And we want to mix this together. Now the chicken that we poached, once it's done and you've drained it, chuck that in there. We just want to coat this. Now we'll put the chicken on. Once we've put on some onions, so we cut up onions into strips, put them on it. Then we cut up some baby spinach, put that all over it, and then we put the chicken on it with the tandoori paste. And just dollop the paste. Well, sorry for not showing the putting on of the onion and the baby spinach, because for some reason my camera cut out, so that's why I sort of got straight into this. Was already partly on there. Now cut up about anywhere from 1 to 3 tablespoons of raisins or sultanas. Just cut them in half or into thirds. Just sprinkle them over the pizza. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Yes, it is. Now get some slivered almonds and sprinkle them over. 1 or 2 tablespoons should be enough. Now sprinkle with some grated cheese. Just tasty cheese is fine. How much you put on is entirely up to you. Alright, now that's done, just chuck it in the oven. Put the oven on about 220 degrees Celsius, which is about 440 degrees Fahrenheit. Probably take about 12 to 15 minutes. And then you're done. And eat, enjoy. This is awesome. Yummy. You can serve it up as is, or get a little bit of that yogurt, the plain yogurt, and just throw it on. It's usually what I do. That's the whole pizza. Simple cooking.